Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers for beginners. First, let's talk about the meat. For the best burgers, choose ground beef with an 80/20 lean to fat ratio. This balance ensures your burgers are juicy and flavorful. Freshly ground chuck is an excellent choice, offering a rich taste. Avoid very lean meat, as it tends to dry out quickly during cooking, making your burger less enjoyable. Next, let's form those perfect patties. Gently shape your ground beef into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make them slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink during cooking. Crucially, press a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging into a ball. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Now for the cooking. A hot grill or a cast iron skillet works wonders. For a delicious medium-rare burger, cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, flipping only once. If you prefer well done, aim for an internal temperature of 160 degrees F, which you can check with a meat thermometer. Don't press down on the patties while cooking. This squeezes out all the flavorful juices. Finally, let's assemble and serve your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place it on the patty during the last minute of cooking so it melts beautifully. Then, pile on your favorite toppings, whether it's crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, or a special sauce. Enjoy your homemade burger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.